love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I'll always stay with you. But baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby, there's something I can do. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know I'd only hurt you, I know I'd only make you cry. I'm not the one you needed. I love you. Hinihintay ko na lang matapos ang kontrata ko dito. Susunod na ako sa mga magulang ko sa Canada. I'm sorry.
Struggle for something to say. You left in the rain without closing the door. I didn't stand in your way.
Alam mo, aalis ka.
I miss you more than I miss you before and now. Where I'll find comfort, God knows. 'Cause you left me just when I needed you most. Oh no, 'cause you left me just when I needed you most.
I'm sorry.
Almost every morning I stare out the window light.
Sana hindi na lang kita minahal.
I've written your letter that I'd like to send.
Hindi mo na rin ako hinayaang mahalin ka.
Just turn to me, 'cause I need you more than I needed before and now. Where I'll find comfort, God knows. 'Cause you left me just when I needed you most. Oh now, 'cause you left me just when I needed you most.
Tanga-tanga ko.
Clifford, mahal na mahal kita. Handa ako ipaglaban yun. Handa na ako.
In the morning light, stare out the window light, struggle for something to say. You left in the rain without closing the door. I just stand in your way.
Mahal mo din naman ako, di ba?
More than I needed before and now.
Ito pa gusto mo?
God knows.
Ang hindi na tayo magsama sa mga natitirang araw ko pa.
Left me just when I needed you most. Oh no, 'cause you left me just when I needed you most. 'Cause you left me just when I needed you most.
Gaano man kami kalayo sa isa't isa, ganun pa rin naman ang nararamdaman ko. Nasasaktan, nagmamahal, nagnanais na makita siya. Pagkatapos ko masaktan ng 2 beses, akala ko hindi na ako ulit magmamahal. Pero nang dahil sa'yo, natutunan kong pwedeng kalimutan ang nakaraan.
Nang dahil sa pag-ibig mo, naging matapang ako. Kakayani kong harapin anumang dumating bukas.